Okay, good morning, class 1 Alpha. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. So now I will try to share my screen. Make sure you can see my screen. Okay, now can you see my screen sharing?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Open preview. What is this? Still got the previews here. Oh. Okay, never mind. You cannot see my... What happened here? Okay, class, I'm sorry, got some difficulties, got some problem. Can you hear me now? Again, please respond.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Okay, there is no more. Okay, screen sharing. Okay, screen sharing. Can you see it as well?
Yes.
Okay. Got some problem lah. I don't know what happened to the to my computer setting. All right. So I think we can continue the lesson for today. Right. Okay, class. All right, now it's 8:55. Good morning to all of you. I hope you are in a good condition and stay healthy at home. And this is our last week for today, starting from now. Now is 12th of July until 16th of July. And then next week is school holiday next week. Okay, for 1 week. All right. If you can see my calendar, I will try to share my calendar first. So this is our calendar. Okay. So today is 12th of July. I hope you can see it also. Okay. Right. All right. So today is 12th of July 2021, and then we have class for today for 1 Alpha. We have on Monday, right? And then on tomorrow also we have another class for on Tuesday, right? And then the last class is on 16th of July. We also have class on this day. Okay, this is week 28. Week 28 in the calendar. All right, and then starting from 17, 17 to 25th of July 2021 is the cuti pertengahan penggal. This is our school holiday. Okay, for only for 1 week. Okay, 17, right? 17 July to 25th of July. This is our school holiday. Okay, this is for July, right? And then maybe, okay, we just wait for the government announcement whether the school will be reopened on 26th of July or not. But depend on the current situation lah, right? Okay. If we see daily cases of COVID is 9,000, 8,000 case per day, it is unlikely on 26th of July the school will be, I think it will still be closed, okay, for 26th of July. All right. So you just stand by lah. Maybe starting after the school holiday on 26th of July, we maybe continue PDPR. Okay, class? Can you understand the situation right now? Yeah. 26. Actually, if everything is okay, 26, the school will be reopened, but depend on the daily cases of COVID lah. Okay. But I think PDPR or learning at home will be continue on 26 onward. Maybe until August, maybe until September. Right? So we have 3 more meetings to go before school holiday on 17 to 25th of July 2021. Okay, so this is the situation right now. I hope you understand. We have 1 week to go. Okay, I hope you understand this. Right. Okay. Okay. So I will continue the lesson for today. Right. We already learned about chapter 7. Chapter 7 is the composition. We learn about the air. So in 7.1, our previous lesson, we already learned about the composition of air. You must remember, the composition of air. It is very important until you go to Form 5 or Form 6, this one. The composition of air. Make sure you understand what is the biggest or the largest gas in the air. That is nitrogen, consists of 78% of the composition of air. And then the second one is what, class? The second one is the first one is nitrogen, 78%. And then the second largest composition of air is oxygen, make up about 21% of the air. And then the third one is what we call an inert gas. Inert gas and other substance consists of 0.97% of the composition of the air. And then the last one is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide consists of 0.03% of the air composition. Make sure you understand this. Okay. Nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, inert gas. This is a type of gas. Other substance here, for example, what? Microorganism, bacteria, dust, smoke, soot, and everything else is consists of 0.97%, including the inert gas. Okay, make sure you understand this. This is what we call the composition of the air around us, right? Okay, we also already learned about air is a mixture, okay, because it consists of many type of gases and also many type of other materials such as dust, smoke, bacteria, and all that. It is a mixture, okay. And then the importance of gases, okay, because of this air consists of what we call oxygen. Number 1, oxygen. Number 2, carbon dioxide. Number 3, nitrogen and inert gas. So you must try to understand what is the importance of gases, what is the uses of gases for us. Okay, oxygen, carbon dioxide, for example, respiration, right, class? We inhale, we breathe in, and we breathe out. Without oxygen, we cannot live, right? So we breathe in the oxygen gases, and then we inhale or we exhale or breathe out carbon dioxide gases. Okay, and then the other substance also, the other gases also, you need to remember they are important and their uses. Okay, right. So today we're going to learn about cycle, carbon cycle. We call it a carbon cycle. Okay, actually you need to understand two cycle. Number one is what we call by carbon cycle, and then the second one we call it oxygen cycle. Okay, what is mean by cycle? Cycle, C-Y-C-L-E. Okay, if you look at the picture here, cycle mean, for example, between two gases lah. For example, this one between two gases. Mine, I will try to hide the picture first. This one, just wait for me. Okay, here. I will just erase this picture first. Okay. So what is mean by cycle? Okay. As simple as this, as simple as this. We have two type of gases here. Can you see it, classes? We can you see, class? We have two type of gases here. One is oxygen, and then one is carbon dioxide. This is the two type of gases. Okay, and then we have over here human, right? Again, sorry, I will erase it again. Okay, never mind. Right. Okay, all right. Okay, what's meaning by cycle? Okay, cycle meaning something must give out and then something must give in. This is what we call by cycle. And then we can what we call show the cycle by drawing an arrow. I will try to draw you an arrow first. And this is the arrow. Something must give out, and then also something must give in. Something must produce, and then something must what we call use. Okay, whether it is used or produced. Okay, this is what we call a cycle. This is as simple. The simple cycle is like this, right? And then we have here on your left is the plant. Okay, and then on your right is human. Okay, on your right is human. Okay, for example here, if I cycle here consists of if I try to put two type of gas here, one is oxygen and one is carbon dioxide, right? For example, what is the gas that produced by human during respiration? What are the gas, class?
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide. Yes, very good. So we can write here, this is carbon dioxide. Okay, and then you just notice the arrow here, meaning that the gas that is produced or what we call created by human is carbon dioxide. Okay, and then what are the gas used by human? Human here. What is the gas used by human?
Oxygen.
Yes, good. Oxygen. Can you notice the arrow here? Right. So for oxygen and carbon dioxide produced by human, and then oxygen gas used by the human. All right. So for this for this process, this is what we call respiration. 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 The gas used is oxygen for human, and then produce what we call the remove from the human. We call it carbon dioxide. All right. Okay. And then can you see the other gas? What is the gas? Okay. And then what is the gas that used by plant? What's the gas used by plant? Respiration, use respiration, human use oxygen and then produce carbon dioxide. But for plant, for what we call for plant, we use carbon dioxide, right? Use the carbon dioxide and then remove the oxygen. So this is what we call photosynthesis. Photosynthesis use what? Use carbon dioxide and then remove or produce oxygen. Okay, this is what we call cycle. Okay, can you understand the diagram here, class? You see, carbon dioxide used by the carbon dioxide used by the plant. What's the name of the process? Photosynthesis. And then for respiration, okay, human for respiration produce carbon dioxide and then use oxygen. Okay, this is as simple as it takes for you to understand the oxygen cycle and then the carbon cycle here. Okay, right. So, okay, can you understand it, class?
Yes.
All right, now is carbon cycle. We take a look at carbon cycle first. Make sure you understand what release the gas and then what use the gas. Right? So for carbon cycle, we refer to the carbon dioxide. Carbon cycle, we refer to the carbon dioxide gas. Okay. The legend here, okay, the red arrow show the release of carbon dioxide and then the blue arrow show the use of carbon dioxide. Okay, right? So what are the process that release carbon dioxide in the air? Right? Number one is respiration. Can you see the red arrow here? Can you see the red arrow here? Red arrow here indicate the release of carbon dioxide, meaning that the carbon dioxide is being produced or being removed or being released. Okay, mengeluarkan carbon dioxide. Okay, respiration. Right? You must understand, every living organism undergo respiration. For example, green plant. Green plant also do respiration. Number two, also respiration, but this is respiration for animal. Animal also undergo respiration. Human also undergo respiration. Okay, every living organism, plant, animal, human, undergo respiration, and then what is being released when do respiration? Carbon dioxide will be released. Okay. What is the third process that remove carbon dioxide? We call it decomposition. Decomposition also release carbon dioxide. Can you understand, class? These are the process, decomposition, respiration, okay, is all the process that release carbon dioxide in the air. All right, and then the last one is burning of fossil fuel. When we burn something, carbon dioxide will be released. Can you understand this? All right, this four, not four lah, I mean only three. Actually, it is only three. Respiration here meaning that respiration from the animal and respiration from the plant. Okay, I maybe just combine it into one. Right? Can you understand this? So we have three. Actually, we have three process that release carbon dioxide. That is respiration, decomposition, and burning of fossil fuel. Okay, but only one release what we call use the carbon dioxide. Not release. Sorry, only one process use carbon dioxide. What are the process? This one. What are the process here?
Photosynthesis.
Yes, photosynthesis. It is use carbon dioxide. Use carbon dioxide, only photosynthesis. Who use the carbon dioxide? Green plants. Okay. The other ones, right? The other, remove. This one is what we call release. Release or remove. Same lah, release carbon dioxide. This also release. Decomposition also release. And then burning of fossil fuel also release carbon dioxide. Okay? You just remember this only. And then the carbon cycle, if the human still alive, if the animal still alive, and then all the green plants still alive, okay, it will continue the process until it die. This is what we call the cycle. This is what we call cycle. Okay. The process here will continue every day, every second, non-stop. Okay, until the what? Until maybe when the animal is die, it will stop respiration. Then it will no longer do the carbon cycle. Okay. When the animal or when the plant or when the human is still alive, it will continue the process every day, every minute, every second. All right. Can you understand this? Okay, make sure you understand this. All right. Next one. What we call by oxygen cycle. Okay. Again, please remember which process that use oxygen and then which process use carbon dioxide. Okay. So use oxygen indicate by the red arrow over here. So I will one by one. Use oxygen is what? Respiration. You still remember respiration? Use the oxygen. Number one, respiration. Number two, combustion. What is combustion? Combustion is when you burn something, we need oxygen. Okay. Number three is rusting. All right. For example, the iron is become rust because there is an oxygen. Okay. What else? Decomposition also use oxygen. Decomposition also use oxygen. All right. Decomposition of waste material and dead organism. Maybe dead, what we call decomposition of dead plant and the decomposition of dead animal. This is all use oxygen. Okay. And then respiration as well. Respiration in animal and human, and also respiration from plant. Right. The red arrow here indicate the use of oxygen. Can you understand this? Use of oxygen. Right. So next one. The release of oxygen indicate by the blue arrow over here. Okay. The release of oxygen only occur in one process, that is photosynthesis only. Can you see the difference here? We have 4 processes that use the oxygen, but only one process that release the oxygen. Only from the photosynthesis process for the green plant. Can you see the difference here? All right. That's why it is important for us to take care of the environment, okay, to take care of the forest, to take care of the green plant, so that the plant can give us oxygen. Now, without oxygen, we cannot live, especially for respiration. Especially for respiration, because respiration is very, very important. This one, respiration, respiration, because without oxygen, we cannot live. But the sources of oxygen, where? Class, can you give me what is the main sources of oxygen for us? From where? From?
Green plant.
Yes, good. From green plant. Because only green plant can do photosynthesis. Photosynthesis will release the oxygen. That's why we need to take care of the environment. Do not cut down tree as what we call do not cut down the tree. Do not reforestation. Okay. Only one sources that release oxygen for us. Okay. Can you understand the oxygen cycle and carbon cycle? Can? And then for the, okay, very good. And then for the rest of the topic, maybe you can what we call read the article, okay, read the textbook in order for you to further understand the topic. Okay, so make sure you understand the oxygen cycle and the carbon cycle. If you have any question, you can ask me. Right? Okay. The rest of this, okay, no problem. Okay, last for today. All right. So, last topic for today: ways to prevent interference in the oxygen and carbon cycle. Okay, the cycle that I already taught you just now is the normal cycle. Normal cycle in the world. Okay, without interference. Excuse me. What is mean by interference, class? What is the meaning of interference? This one, this word over here. Interference. Is it something good in oxygen and carbon cycle? Interference. Is it something good or something bad? Interference.
Bad.
Yes, it is something bad for the oxygen and carbon cycle. Okay. For example here, like I said earlier, the main sources of oxygen for us come from the plant. Is it true, class? Come from the plant, right?
Yes.
From the green plant, yes. Because the plant undergo photosynthesis. Photosynthesis use carbon dioxide and release oxygen. So interference here, meaning that what happened if we cut down all the green plant, we cut down all the tree, and then the tree is already gone, and then no what we call no photosynthesis. So maybe the oxygen content in the air will be less. This is what we call by interference. So what are the way to prevent the interference in oxygen and carbon cycle? Okay, we see about that now. Okay. Okay. Right. So our environment is being destroyed by human activities such as logging and the uncontrolled usage of pesticide in agriculture. Logging meaning you cut down the tree, right? So this will increase the amount of carbon dioxide which interfere with natural cycle, including oxygen and carbon cycle. Can you understand this? If you cut down the tree, there will be more carbon dioxide produced. You still remember the carbon cycle? Only one process use carbon dioxide, and then for the rest of the process, respiration, combustion, use oxygen, right? Release the carbon dioxide. So there is a problem here. Okay, because the problem here is when there is more carbon dioxide, okay, there will be problem. Can you understand this? More carbon dioxide, more problem. Okay, that's why we cannot just simply cut down the tree. Okay, so how to prevent the problem? Number one, avoid using excessive pesticide. Number two, reforestation. Reforestation meaning that you plant back the tree, right? Number four, you prevent excessive release of smoke from vehicle. Do not burn forest. Number three, and then number four, prohibit illegal logging. This is just a few ways to prevent interference in the carbon and oxygen cycle. Okay, I think for the rest of the topic, maybe you can read for yourself, and maybe you can try to find the more information on the internet. Okay, can you understand this? I just give you the basic only, right? On carbon and what we call carbon and oxygen cycle. Okay, class, do you have any question before you stop here?
No.
No, no problem. Yeah. Okay. Very good. So now it's 9:22 in the morning. Like usual lah, if you have any question on the topic, you can ask me on our Telegram group. Okay. So where is it? Where is the? Alright, it is. Okay. So I will stop here. We will meet again tomorrow at 10:30 in the morning. So for the exercise, I will give you the exercise later on in our Telegram group. Okay. Please do ask me if you have any question about the topic. Okay. So I will end the class now. Thank you for your focus and attention. We will see you all again tomorrow at 10:30 in the morning. You can leave the class now. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.